A Ram extended warranty is a smart investment for your new or pre-owned Ram. Not only is it an inexpensive way to add peace of mind to your purchase, but it also raises the value of your Ram for when you go to trade or sell it. For more than 5 years in a row, the Ram truck has been a recipient of many major awards. These awards are for advanced technology, ride handling, value, and performance. When buying your warranty, you should expect the same. With the quickly rising repair prices of today's vehicles, a warranty is almost always a consideration. With the Mopar Vehicle Protection Plan offered by Chrysler Factory Warranty, you can be assured your warranty is factory-backed and will be accepted at any of the nearly 2,500 Ram dealers across the country. A Mopar warranty assures you your Ram will only be fixed with genuine Mopar replacement parts. Other benefits to a Ram extended warranty include nationwide roadside assistance, available 24 hours a day. This roadside assistance includes flat tire change, towing, low battery jump starts, and even out-of-gas fuel delivery. Chrysler Factory Warranty makes it easy to know you are getting the right warranty for your Ram. You can also be assured you are going to get the best price. Chrysler Factory Warranty makes paying for your warranty easy with no interest payment options. You can shop for your warranty one of two ways. You can visit ChryslerFactoryWarranty.com and review prices and options for yourself. Or call one of our Ram Extended Warranty specialists and let them help find the right warranty for you and your Ram. Visit www.ChryslerFactoryWarranty.com or call 855-730-1290.